Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever installed some software on Linux, updated your system, and suddenly something stopped working? Maybe your desktop wouldn't load, Wi-Fi disappeared, or your system became unstable. It's frustrating, right? Well, there's a type of Linux designed to prevent most of these problems, and it's called an Immutable Linux Distro. It might sound complicated, but it's actually a very simple idea. By the end of this video, you'll know what it is, how it works, and whether it's worth trying. Let's start with a normal Linux distribution. Think of your operating system like a house. You can move the furniture, repaint the walls, replace doors, or even knock down a wall if you want. That's how traditional Linux works. You have complete freedom to modify almost everything. And that's one of the reasons Linux is so popular. But there's a downside. If you accidentally remove an important package, or an update goes wrong, your system can become unstable or even stop working. Now imagine another house where you can still decorate the inside, bring in new furniture, and store all your personal belongings, but the foundation, walls, and roof are locked and can't be changed. That's basically an immutable Linux distro. The core operating system is protected while your apps and personal files remain separate. You can still browse the web, write code, play games, and install applications, but it's much harder to accidentally break the system. The word immutable simply means unchangeable. In these distros, important system files are read only, so instead of updating the operating system piece by piece, Immutable Linux downloads a complete new version in the background. When you reboot, your computer switches to that new version all at once. This is called an atomic update. If something goes wrong after the update, you can simply roll back to the previous working version with another reboot. No spending hours searching forums trying to fix your computer. You might be wondering, if the system is locked, how do I install software? Most immutable distros use Flatpak, where applications come with everything they need to run without changing the operating system. Developers can also use tools like DistroBox or Toolbex to create isolated environments for programming while keeping the main system safe. Some popular immutable Linux distributions include Fedora Silverblue, Fedora Kinoite, Vanilla OS, Bluefin, Aurora, openSUSE, Micro OS, and even SteamOS on the Steam Deck. Although it works differently, NixOS also offers rollback capabilities and a similar reliable experience. So, what are the advantages? They're incredibly stable, more secure, easy to recover if an update fails, and every installation behaves consistently. The downsides are that they're less flexible for deep system customization. You'll rely more on Flatpak applications, and there can be a small learning curve if you're used to package managers like apt or DNF. So, should you try an immutable Linux distro? If you want a reliable computer that's difficult to break, absolutely. They're perfect for beginners, students, everyday users, and even developers who value stability. I'd recommend starting with Fedora Silverblue or Vanilla OS in a virtual machine to see how they work. So, have you tried an immutable Linux distro, or are you planning to? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Linux content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.